Okay, so in the last tutorial I showed you how to import a roster. But let's assume that it's not quite so easy. Let's assume that the spreadsheet's not exactly what we want it to be. So I'm going to go back into File, Import from Delimited File, and I'm going to choose the Rosters file again. This time I changed the data around a little bit, so when I go to Tabs and I look down this line, the first thing that I'm going to notice is that there's some data that's misaligned. There's an M over here, it should be in here. I also noticed that the last names and the first names are transposed. And going down the line, I also see that a certain coach put sophomore instead of a number grade, which I want. So what I can do first of all is up at the top here, click Edit Source. What I can do is edit the actual source file. So I want to go here and I want to change sophomore to 10. That's easy enough. And we also saw that this that one of these was out of line. I believe it was this one. That was out of line, so I can change those things in the file. I click OK, it reloads this, and now everything is lined up. These are 10s, and so that looks pretty good. Now let's not forget that the first name and last name columns are transposed. So what I can do is I can highlight the last name column, and I can up here on the drop down change that to first name. On this column I can highlight it and change it to last name, so now all the columns match up correctly, and I can just do what I did before, click import, and we have all our teams and all our athletes. It's that easy.